This tutorial will show how to add an auction to a Shopify store. From the dashboard, click Add Auction. Once the Add Auction page is loaded, enter in all the relevant information pertaining to your auction. Under Title, I'll enter in Test, Description, Test. Under Options, in Status, there are 4 different items to choose from: Active, Archived, Complete, and Draft. I'll stick with the default selection of Active. In weight, I'll enter in 10. Weight unit, pounds. Under Inventory Location, this specifies where your product is located. In this example, I'll stay with the default of the Los Angeles warehouse. Under Media, I'll add in a photo of the item that I will be planning to auction. And in this case, it's a shoe. On the right side, we see pricing and date. Under pricing, starting price and minimum bid increment are required, while buy it now price is optional. Under starting price, I'll enter in 30, minimum bid increment 1, buy it now price 99. Start date must be the current date or a date in the future, and cannot be a date in the past. So I'll select the current date, while the end date must be a date after the start date. I'll select a date a few days after the start date. Now I'll just do a quick double check of all my inputted information, and I'll click Save. It may take a bit of time to save your auction, but once it's saved, you will notice a few new options or inputs at the top of your screen here. Duplicate allows you to duplicate your auction. View allows you to view your auction on your Shopify store. Bids allows you to look at the bids that have been placed on your auction. New auction allows you to create a new auction. And lastly, Edit in Shopify Admin allows you to edit your product in the Shopify Admin. I'll just click View to see what the auction looks like on a Shopify store. And the auction is loaded, and we can see all the information that we inputted on the back end is being shown on the Shopify store. This concludes the demonstration of how to add an auction to a Shopify store.